Hello, my name is Bosco Nyonize. I'm coming from Rwanda. I'm joining Zoe for training of maintenance, planning, schedule, and control here in Dubai. We have run a lot of things, a lot of interested key of how we can do maintenance during our daily basic activities. It was interested topics. We have run of so many different type of maintenance, but there are four key of type of maintenance, like preventive maintenance. For for a good of company, it's better we prevent before better to prevent before secure. So we have run also schedule maintenance. So for better having control and know how you have achieved, it's better you schedule, you plan before, and to help you to make a report and resolve your issues. There's also a corrective or breakdown. So in that type, you will prevent the emergence, you will control the emergence, and you will know the financial implication on that. Or you will reduce also the financial implication on the maintenance activities. Then there is a predictive also to help in your maintenance activities. So we have run a lot of things. There's an objective with the maintenance. There's a keyword or key guidance word. In the maintenance, we need a labor or special technician, we need material, we need equipment. So that also should be taken consideration during your maintenance planning. So we have run also the Gantt chart. So it will help during our preparing our project, because the project also is a part of our maintenance activity. So for the Gantt chart, we'll be able to list the major activity according to the time frame. Then the execution, the delivery should be known and be prepared before taking action. So I can say we have run a lot of things here, and we appreciate the service you give to us. Then I can recommend to my colleague or in any other institution to join you and be trained with you. Thanks.